Dude, I told you this stuff's like no joke. It's ridiculous.
You don't wanna go against me. Anything you do, you can never be me.
One thing that can really set you apart from your neighbors is a dark green lawn. Today, I'm gonna show you how to get your grass crazy dark in less than 24 hours, and then show you the results at the end of the video. Now, most people think the only way you can get your grass super dark green is to use a ton of fertilizer, and that's just not true. Today, I'm gonna introduce to you iron. Grass uses iron to create chlorophyll, which ultimately gives your grass that green color.
A technical diagram illustrates the action of iron working on growing plants.
When you use the right amount of iron, it's going to turn your grass super dark green and make your neighbors envious.
Hey man, your lawn looks great. How'd you get it so dark?
Iron.
Cool man, you got any left?
Now, if you notice that your grass is super light green or yellow, it could be from a few different causes. 3 of those causes could be lack of water, lack of nitrogen, or disease pressure. Now, if you can take out all of those, the last thing it could be is chlorosis, which is a lack of iron in your grass.
You'll know your plants have iron deficiency when you pull a leaf and you'll see that it's a light green with a dark green vein running through the middle of the leaf. This plant needs iron.
And the application I'm going to show you today is ultimately going to fix that. When it comes to applying iron to your lawn, there's 2 different ways you can do it: granular or liquid. Now, when it comes to granular iron, the negatives way outweigh the positive. The first negative is if you put down granular, you have to wait for that granule to break down into the soil for the grass to use. That means it needs to be watered in, it needs to be hit by the sun, and eventually your grass can finally take that up, which could take days to weeks. The second negative when it comes to granular is that you're not gonna get even coverage like you would with liquid. As those granules come out of your spreader, they're gonna be bouncing around all over the place, and odds are is you're gonna get some polka dotting around your lawn because you just cannot get perfect coverage everywhere with those granules. And the last negative is it's gonna cost you way more money per application when it comes to granular compared to liquid. When it comes to liquid, you'll be applying the iron straight to the grass leaves, which means a foliar application. When you apply foliar, that means the grass blades are sucking in that liquid and using all those nutrients instantly, which means way faster result. Also, when it comes to spraying, you get way more even coverage. You can also add more products to your tank mix and put them down at once if they call for a foliar application. Now, don't get me wrong, there's plenty of negatives when it comes to using liquid. First being is that there's going to be a lot more prep and cleanup. Second is that you have to strap up with a bunch of PPE. And lastly, your neighbors are going to look at you like you're a crazy person, which my neighbors already think I am.
Psycho?
The product that we're going to use today is called Feature. It comes in a powdered form, and we are going to dissolve it into hot water and spray it out of our backpack sprayer. The things that we're going to need today is your bag of Feature, a scale, a bucket with hot water in it, and a mixing gun. Now, if you guys have hard water like I do, you're gonna definitely need to lower your pH for this stuff to work. Now, to do that, you just use regular citric acid that you get from the grocery store. I bought this on Amazon, it's super cheap, and this stuff goes a long way. You're gonna want your pH below 5. Right now, mine's hovering around 9. You can use this simple pH tester that you can get off Amazon, put it in your water, and it'll tell you exactly what it is. Now, to get us where we need to be, we're gonna use 0.1 ounces of citric acid per gallon, which is gonna cover 1,000 square feet, and that's gonna get us below our pH of 5. So with this product, we're gonna be using 1.5 ounces per 1,000 square feet. If you want to add other foliar applications like PGR or urea, you definitely can do that. Just make sure you do not add more than 0.2 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet, or you're going to burn your lawn. Now make sure you have a strainer on your sprayer because there are some artifacts in here. Now after you apply your iron, make sure you water it in after 4 hours of it sitting on the leaf blade. It needs to sit there for 4 hours to actually take effect. And after that, in less than 24 hours, you're gonna have some super dark grass. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. And until next time, get off my lawn.